Hello guys, come back. I'm going to show you here how you drop down the new on Figma. So that is about to be about here. Start to create a frame, and we gonna see. And starting with that, we gonna start to for the drop down menu rectangle. So we can start right here to go for rectangle one, which is really the iPhone, and the rectangle can be really on the on a certain shape like this to add a ticket side the button label. That is really good. And you can see right here that we can start to add drop additional text below the main button. For example, we can start to add one, two. Okay, so however the title is to use this one text prototype, and then start to go with components to make a component with component. I didn't go to for interactions, started to type a side of drag between those type of text, and maybe you can start to make a plugin drop down menu, status drop down menu. Also, if you want to see this kind of horizontal scrolling, it will help you a lot in this situation.